Hi everyone, Ralph Havens here from Heart of Running and Mission Hills Physical Therapy, and today's video is on something that I found quite a few years ago, maybe up to something like 15 years ago or so, and it was shown to me by a friend who had learned it from a reflexologist, and so I've been using it ever since in my practice and for myself. It's been very useful for clearing up shin splints, especially shin splints, calf strains, Achilles problems, knee problems, any leg problem in general. The interesting thing is I've found it useful even for fixing up or helping in some ways chronic conditions such as chronic fatigue syndrome and back and sciatica issues. Also somewhat useful for plantar fasciitis, but more useful for the shin splints, calf strains, Achilles tendonitis. And so I want to show that to you today. It's very useful. We've been using it for years and I hope you enjoy it. Email me if you have any questions about this. So what we're going to do is use a tennis ball, and we're going to use it very specifically on certain spots of the feet. Now some people might say they've used the tennis ball and they roll around on the tennis ball and they're used to what it does. Well, I've had people that do that and it's not that. In fact, that can help loosen up a little bit of the foot, but this works on reflex points that actually influence the rest of the body. And if you Google reflexology chart, you can see what some of these spots correspond to. Certain organs, arteries, veins, different joints in the spine. And so it's really useful and it's very specific. I encourage you to try this specifically exactly how I show you. And if you're having any leg issues, do it 2 or 3 or 4 times a day. When I first found it, I was dealing with shin splints, and I did it 3, 4, even 5 times a day, and within the first couple of days it was pretty much all gone, and by the end of the week it was very, very long gone. So, so I encourage you to use it like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you the position for the tennis ball on a shoe just so that you get a sense of where it would be on a foot, and then also on my foot. But you do it barefoot against the tennis ball. So here's my shoe. This is a right shoe, and so we're going to position a tennis ball against a wall and then put our toes up like this. Then we're going to go on the side of the wall and put it right here. So just like this, then right here, and then just in front of the heel. Then we're going to turn all the way around, and on the inner edge of the foot, we're going to put it right behind the ball of the foot, right here, and then just in front of the heel. Then without a wall, we're going to put 3 spots just behind the ball of the foot, a little to the side, a little to the side. Right in the middle, a little to the side, a little to the side, and right in the middle just in front of the heel, a little to the side, a little to the side. And each position is going to be about 6 to 10 seconds. So I'm going to show you on my foot now. We're going to do some spots right against the wall with the foot positioned over the tennis ball, and I'll show you on the wall, but I want to show you up close how this looks. Okay, then we're going to go against the wall 3 spots. Right here, right here, right here. Then I'm going to do it on the other side of the same foot, right here, right here, right here, and each spot 6 to 10 seconds. Then I'm going to go without the wall, just behind the ball of the foot, right here, and right here. So it's going to be here, here, and here. And each spot you press down onto the floor pretty firmly. And then right here, and right here. So just like this, and like this. Then just in front of the heel, right here, and right here. So we're going to go here, here, here. So this is what it looks like in real life. We're going to go into my wall here, and we're going to do it right here. And this is one of my magic techniques. So try it, email me, let me know what it does for you. I've seen it fix shin splints and calf strains very, very quickly. Sometimes in a matter of days or days.